The First Battle of the Marne was a significant battle during World War I because it marked Germany's plan to capture Paris and defeat the French and British armies. In our last video, we discussed how the First World War started, why Germany wanted to fight France and Russia together, and why Britain also joined the war. Germany had planned to achieve victory in 40 days by occupying Paris and destroying the French and British armies. In the early battles of August 1914, Germany succeeded in pushing back the French and British armies, advancing deeper into France, known as the Great Retreat. The French and British stopped retreating in the Marne River Valley as the Germans advanced to within 40 kilometers of Paris. During this time, British commander Field Marshal John French lost confidence in his French allies and considered a British retreat. However, French commander Joseph Joffre kept his retreating army well organized. He added more soldiers from the eastern side and combined reserve units into the main army. By early September, the French and British armies had more soldiers than the army of Germany. Additionally, the Germans were tired from a month of fighting, and they were facing a shortage of essential resources. On 3rd September, the military governor of Paris, Joseph Simon Gallieni, saw that the right side of the German army was weak and moved his forces to attack. On 4th September, Joffre ordered a counterattack. The battle happened between Paris and Verdun. By 9th September, the Franco-British counterattack was successful. German armies were then instructed to retreat to the Aisne River. But the French and British forces chased them. After retreating 65 kilometers north of the Aisne River, the German armies stopped and fortified their positions to defend against the French and British. This retreat from September 9 to 12, 1914, marked the end of Germany's attempt to swiftly defeat France. Following this, both sides tried to outflank each other in what's called the Race to the Sea. This led to the First Battle of Ypres and started the long, bloody trench warfare of World War I on the Western Front. The Battle of the Marne took place from September 5 to 12 and saw approximately 250,000 French, 12,733 British, and 298,000 German casualties. Some historians consider it the most important land battle of the 20th century or even the most important battle in history. In French folklore, it is called the Miracle on the Marne. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please do like, share with friends, and please subscribe to the channel.